If you go over to BitGet now and type Major, you see that Major deposit is already available in BitGet. That means you can actually deposit Major in Bybit and in BitGet and also in Bybit. We all know that according to the news we heard from the Major community itself, the listing is going to commence within this October. But today's video is actually not about Major. Today's video is about this particular project called Cycle, that was promoted by Major, and Major, the project looks like Major, and also Major promoted them. So as you can see, I'm actually having 41,300 pieces of it. So a lot of people have been asking me on my DM, how do we farm this particular project, because it's kind of confusing and it's kind of a game that you can still win or lose. So as you can see, I don't have any sparks. So first thing you have to do is to follow the link in the description of this video, then log into this particular project as far as you're having a Telegram account, which I know all of us are having Telegram account. So when you're done signing up and everything, go over to this particular end and make sure you have some token. As you can see, if you click on check-in on turn, you are going to get 10,000 token. Follow Cycle on Telegram. Do this thing every day, just like we are doing it on Major. So after doing it, you can also share in your stories. So I'm going to share it on my stories now, my Telegram stories. So I think I've shared a lot, but it's going to check me in. So you can also watch ad. So if you click on watch ad, I think it's going to play ad for you for some minutes. I don't know, maybe some seconds. That is 15 seconds countdown already there from the project. So this is this ad. You guys know almost all these projects now are now playing ad, and let's just forget about that. Telegram is paying them. As far as we are getting what we need from them, you can watch more ad and earn more. So I think after this 1 minute, 2 minutes countdown, you can watch more ad. You can also go over to this one-time place and then complete the project which they gave to you. So I'm going to click on subscribe now and complete this project. So this is the things. The first thing you need to do in the project is to complete tasks and earn spark. So this one is not like Major, which the coin you earn is what are going to pay you. No, you have to go ahead and complete all these things. So after you must have gotten your spark, as you can see, I'm now having 7,000 spark around here. So you can go ahead and use the spark to buy Cycle. So what I have to do now is to enter 1,000 pieces and then drag this. The lower the percentage, the higher chance of what you are going to get, and also the higher chance of what you are going to lose. So what I'm going to do is to increase it to 69% or more, and then upgrade. If I click on upgrade, it's going to roll up a bit, and if I won, it's going to give me. So as you can see, I just lost that 1,000 pieces because I lost. So I'm going to try my best again and know if I can use 53%. Maybe let me reduce it. So it's something that you can still win or lose. So try your best to use the one that you have. So I've lost 2,000 spark. Let me increase it to know what I'm going to get. So I click on upgrade again. So it's a game where you can, as far as you have spark, you can stand a chance of earning. So I just earn 2 times now. I just earned 1,219 coins. So I don't want to multiply it. I want to risk to multiply it. I can easily do this thing again and earn more. So this is how to do it. First thing is to go ahead and earn spark. So the second thing is to use your spark to upgrade and get your Cycle token. So I might not get this particular one now. I might get it. Let me see how it's going to go. So as you can see, I just got another one successful. So let me try this. Try multiple. I'm not going to do it because it's going to ask me for Telegram star. So I can easily go ahead and do the same thing till the rest of my spark is gone. So if you go over to my home section, you see my Cycle balance is for something thousand. So my Cycle balance is for something thousand, and I've already connected my wallet. I have not won any ton. You understand? So you can also try your best to know how many upgrades you have done. So I've tried 24 upgrade and I've gotten 15 successful. So there is no much thing to do about it. I think if you invite more people, they are going to give you more spark to use and compete in the market to know if you're going to get Cycle. So try your best. Even if you don't refer, try your best. Open multiple accounts if you can. Open multiple accounts in different Telegram apps, and then try your best to log in daily, watch their ad, share to your status, shaking your every single thing, every single task that was given to you, do it and use it to upgrade and get your cycle. So there's nothing much to do in the project, there's nothing much to know in the project. As far as you know how to upgrade your cycle, you are good to go. So this is it. I hope you guys got value from this video. If you got value from it, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you join my Telegram channel for more updates. And with this I say, see you guys in my next video. Bye.